An asylum seeker living on board the Bibby Stockholm barge is appeared in court charged with assault and theft. Ahmed Haffa, age 24, of the Bibby Stockholm, that was his given address, appeared before Poole Magistrates Court Thursday gone, where he was formally charged. He pleaded not guilty to assault by beating, common assault and theft from a shop. The charges refer to alleged incident at St Mary Street in Weymouth on Wednesday, December 13, 2023. Haffa was also charged with stealing a jacket worth £59.99p from TK Maxx on New Bond Street on the same day. A warrant for arrest was issued for Haffa after he failed to appear at Weymouth's Magistrates Court on Wednesday, January 17th. A spokesman for Dorset Police went on to say a warrant was issued by Weymouth Magistrates Court regarding a defendant who had failed to attend court in relation to allegations of theft and assault. Following inquiries, a warrant has now been executed and the defendant, aged 24, from Portland, i.e. the Bibby Stockholm, was due to appear at Poole's Magistrates Court on Thursday, January 18. The case was adjourned until a hearing on Thursday, February 29th. Any of the articles what have been covering this story do not state whether he was given bail. I assume he was given bail for the level of the offence committed or alleged offence committed, and I presume he was bailed back to the Bibby Stockholm. This is the second such case to happen in a very short space of time of last year. A previous case was two asylum seekers from the Bibby Stockholm, aged 24 and 27, were arrested on suspicion of a sex attack on a woman in a nightclub. Officers were called to the Kiki Beach Bar in Weymouth, Dorset on December the 10th. So two asylum seekers who were living on the actual Bibby Stockholm were arrested on suspicion. They were not charged. As far as I'm aware, there's no charges being made. Obviously, that's why you don't know the names or the nationalities where these two individuals came from. Obviously, we know that they're staying at the Bibby Stockholm. So the incident allegedly, again, it was happened in the early hours of December the 10th. The unidentified pair were released from custody and are on police bail. An article from last year, the Sun newspaper, goes as follows. One local source who said he was aware of the sex claims told the Sun local people aren't happy that the barge is close by and have been fearing something like this might happen. A member of staff at Kiki Beach told the Sun there was an accusation made last weekend. We have been spoken to by the police who have also looked through our CCTV. An investigation is underway by detectives and we are continuing to support the victim as our inquiries continue. Regarding any updates on the case, the two men are still on bail and no charges have been made for this alleged sexual assault. There has been, or still is, I imagine, a lot of anxiety from the local people in the respect of the Bibby Stockholm being there, and there's obviously other people who, again, object to the Bibby Stockholm being there, citing it being a floating prison and even calling it a concentration camp, believe it or not, and supporting the actual people who are actually on the barge in any way which they can, and obviously calling anybody out as racist who objects for asylum seekers to some degree actually being there. So yeah, it's just a couple of cases. Again, everybody's innocent till proven guilty, so it's in respect of the sex assault attack, it's again nobody's been charged and the case could get dropped. And again, much the same with this particular case, which I was talking about, even though he has been charged and he's due to appear at the Magistrates Court sometime in February. So hopefully things come a little bit clearer with the particular sex assault case, and in respect of the other case where he's actually been charged, I think it'll be dealt just at the Magistrates Court anyway, and I think it'll just be one of those localised stories what will end up going down the proverbial black hole. Right, thanks again guys, take care and catch up with you soon.